What's up, guys?
What's up?
We are back. You're not guys, but we're back here at now what's called Santan Highlands. We got a little bit of a different format today. We're gonna play 1v1 match play on the front nine here, but the difference today is we're gonna play scramble from the tee shot. After the tee shot, it's me on my own and Tace on his own. And we'll see how that works, because my driver swing has been broken for a long time now, and I'm going to see if this kind of helps my game. All right, good luck.
Thanks.
And rough. Those were two very unstellar tee shots to start
I
us
took
out,
like two
but
practice swings.
that's one more than I took.
You had plenty of time to sit in the cart and think about your choices.
I did. Good, how are you doing?
Good, good, good. Cart path only.
Yes, sir.
You're on the grass.
There's one.
I'm way further, but
Did you just give that Marshall shit for being on the grass?
fuck yeah, I did.
Alright, we're taking Tace's tee shot here, obviously.
Obviously. That was a good swing.
Oh, get through there. Woo, lucky. Well, you smoked it.
Oh, it's rocks over there.
Oh, yeah. Pin high, right side of the green. We got birdie here?
Yeah.
But
We're slow.
oh, they are slow. Yeah.
Good, good.
Might make ourselves really try. Alright, so we both ended up with par on that one. So I feel pretty happy. I don't think I would have got par with my original tee shot. C'est la vie.
I'd say 130. Oh, that was it.
I wasted it. Yep. Fuck. I knew that was gonna happen. I should have backed off that. Hey. Samesies.
Look at our divots. They're actually really good.
high likelihood that this would go right over the green.
Could only hope.
Ooh, it checked a little bit too.
So I'm just gonna make this.
Yeah.
Nope. Ouch.
That's good.
As long as Chad doesn't 3-putt this, he'll take this hole. No pressure. He's not doing himself any favors. Chad's probably gonna fuck this up.
Most definitely. Lucky.
Advantage Chad. 15 love.
Alright, score update. Chad, 1 up. I got a bogey on that one and Tace double, which I'm still not buying. So your tee shot, your second shot, your third shot, fourth shot. Yep, double. Alright. Turns out I do know how to math if I think about it.
Bogey for the win.
Bogey for the win. Those hurt the worst.
It's okay, I'm not scared.
I don't mind losing to a birdie, but a bogey, even a par. Like if you're gonna shoot a bogey in a match play scenario, you can't be mad at a par. Par's pretty solid. I'm not gonna lie, all I smell in this car is McDonald's.
Dude, I have leftovers in my truck with the microwave. I didn't even have time to warm them up today.
Wow.
Dude, this flyover is beautiful.
Good. All right, take it.
Man, I don't want to go too down. Down.
Score update. I am now currently up by 2 with the birdie on that little par 3 there. This is unconventional for me to be in the lead against this guy, which is either because he's not playing his best. He's not playing bad. I have seen him play better, but I think a lot of it's the tee game. So this experiment I think is working out well.
Sounds like you're talking shit.
No, I'm definitely not.
Sounds like it.
Nope. You'll have to wait until this gets posted on the tube. I'm standing up out of it too, because every time. Oh, that's going right back in the middle of the fairway.
You're a bit more disappointed at the middle of the fairway.
That was a good shot. Let's see if this little tweak continues to help.
So you're tweaking?
I'm tweaking. I lost it.
Left of the pin. Front. Good shot. I saw birds fly away.
swapping strokes. You know what I mean?
Swapping strokes sounds super gay, and I'm okay with it.
I was right at it. What, your heart?
Yep. Par.
All right. 3 up through 4. I got a par on that one. Tace ended up with a bogey. That was Donna we were waving to. I don't think she knew that though. Good shot. Hit the same distance on that last fairway shot, and I came up short.
So hit it as hard as you can.
I don't want to do that. Just want to hit it a little more solid.
No, you wasted it.
Oh, you better sit. I think the fuck out of that. Did that stay on? Door's open.
Yeah, unless you're staying on the green. Oh no! Yeah. Oh, wrong kick. I kicked right. If you stay on the green, I'm gonna be so pissed.
Oh, you're short too.
Yeah, well, yes.
Shut.
Chance.
Come back.
That's good.
Almost a must make.
How would that feel if you beat me 4 in a row and then I beat you 4 in a row?
That would be quite the turn of events.
Not how you should leave it.
Dormy. Okay. Update. Dormy. 4 up with 4 to play.
Update. I have an internal struggle.
Welcome to my club.
I think if I hit it shitty off the tee and we have to take Chad's, I can scramble and come back and beat him. Tie him.
That's a low-key diss right there if I've ever heard one.
I just think I can scramble better. You're doing better from where I hit my drives. And it's
That
hurting
may
my
work for
feelings.
you, but we do have a pretty gettable par 3 in this last stretch of holes.
Well, I'll have to.
And all we would have to do is tie on that. Well, stay tuned.
Do I purposely play bad off the tee? I don't know.
Stay tuned. You'll see. That rough just killed it. All right, let's see what you're playing. That was a good shot. Oh, right behind mine.
Yeah, I shot the tree so. All right, if Chad sticks one, this round's pretty much over.
Oh, that's right of the green. Oh, that was the distance.
That's short. That was chunky. Get up.
Not bad though. Oh, that just got. Good shot. You need.
Chad makes this. That's a win, and the round's over. Can he make it, or is he gonna choke? We could say this for the next 3 holes after.
Get out of here. Okay, he withstood the pressure on that hole. Whew, good hole. 3 up with 3 to play. I still like my chances.
What sucks though is me taking a 9-iron off the tee led to a victory, so I'm gonna have to keep doing that, and I don't like it. But I also don't like losing.
Well, again, I think the fact that we have this short par 3, I don't think that strategy is really gonna last the rest of the match.
I have good endurance. You'll see.
Yes, we will. It's the golden hour.
Nope. Missed it right. Oh!
Oh, you're on.
If Chad can put it inside me right now, he'll probably win.
Oh no, I missed that right. That went out right at the end.
Pushed it.
Ooh.
Alright. Chad has this left for the win on the round. Good round.
Good round.
That was not my best stuff.
Oh. 3 up win. That was a good match though.
Experienced shrinkage and it hurts my ego.
I mean, I feel like that reinforces my thought though. Like, I would score much better if I could learn how to hit my fucking driver.
Can you please figure out your driver so we can just play straight up? Tired of this handicap bull crap.
Yeah, I know. And the only reason the handicap is there is because I can't get off the fucking tee.
Well, telling yourself that.
You know, I'm gonna have to cut that out of YouTube.